sa... So, ganito. Okay. Okay, ganito na ha. Okay, ganito yung rule. So, kada isang kayo, only one hit. Okay? Hit or miss, it doesn't matter. You just, after your turn, you have to go back and give the blindfold to your teammate. And then, before that, you have to turn twice. Okay, so one, three nyo dito, sila yung tutulong sa inyo, okay? Para hindi madaya. Okay? And then, the first to hit will win the prize and $20 each. Okay, for the team. Na dalawang okay. Okay, taga lang. Sino ba yung mga boys? Dalawa. Basta dalawang turn. That's why. Straight pa rin. Hit or miss, it doesn't matter. You still have to hit it. So before you start, tignan nyo muna bigay ko nasan yung pinyata. Alright, wait. Stay yung line. Okay, wait. Saglit lang. Ready na ba kayo? Yung dalawang, yung referee dito, yung ba referee dito? Si Kuya Vice, si Kuya Mark. Okay, kailangan dalawang turn. Okay. Ready? Ibaba niya na muna. Okay. Ready. 1 minute lang. Na-understand niyo na ba yung rule? Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, turn. Okay, go. Oh, sige na, you can guide. Your teammate can help you. Pero yung referee is only going to help you. Do it again. Pero wala na nakita lang kung ano ko.
Nakawang kami dito. Hoy, galingan niya. Nakawang kami dito.
Referee, bawal mo na kita ha. Oo, basta yung teammate niyo pwede. Okay?
No coaching. Ayaw. Ate!
Okay, yung mga nanonood, kumabi kayo guys. Kasi kailangan nila ng space. Okay, ready? Ready na? 3, 2, 1, turn! Okay.
Enjoy, guys.
Buong pinyata.
Ay, magaling si Kakay.
Malapit na, malapit na, malapit na.
Palo! Palo! Wait lang, wait lang.
Kailangan masira pa. Nanalo lang, boys, guys. Boys, come here, boys, come here.
Okay, sino yung nalo? Boy! Picture! Picture dito! Dito! Ay, bigyan na si Mami sa 50-20. Yes. O, yan yung sino na to. May nag-20 tayo, guys. Wala, matigas! 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 Picture! Guys, picture muna yung mga nanalo dito. Come here! Oy, yung mga nanalo! Oy, come here! Si Nanay! Si ano? Ay! Kakan! Kakay! Dito ka sa gitna. Mami, sino ka sa gitna? Kakay! Sino pa? Wala na? Wala na kailan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.